welcome to this very cool coffee machine at the Austin airport. I was passing by. I wasn't even going to restart my recording until I actually land in California. I'm headed to San Jose today, but I passed this coffee machine. It looks really interesting. I think I'm gonna try it to see how it is. Also across from me is something called an escape pod, which I did investigate before I came here. I thought I have an hour and 15 layover. I'm like, where can I take a nap? And I thought, oh, maybe I can do an escape pod, but it turns out an escape pod is basically for working, not for sleeping. I'll turn it around and show you what it looks like. See, they don't have this in the Tampa airport. This is an escape pod. There's a table and chair, and that's it. You can sit and work. I guess if I was gonna do a voiceover and need like a soundproof booth, this would be a good place to go. But I am off today. It is Saturday, July the 6th, and I'm headed to see some friends and family. I will tell you more about my adventure coming up, but first let's find a coffee. Got a bunch of lattes, your general cappuccinos, espressos, and hot chocolate. All right, I have to figure out what I want. Oh, putting a lid on it. And there's my coffee. Cool. That was really neat. Let's hope the coffee tastes as good. All right, let's see how airport coffee machine coffee tastes like. Too strong. I need to go find some, actually I think I have some in my bag. I need to get a little sweeter. All right, I'm gonna go to my gate and then I'll tell you a little bit where I'm going. Found some Splenda. Much better. I can't handle bitter coffee. Anyway, the reason I am going to San Jose is I'm meeting a college friend today. She's gonna pick me up and we're going on an adventure. Not exactly sure where we're going, but it's going to be fun. Every time she finds a place to take me, it's always great. I did Half Moon Bay there a few years ago, but that was before I was vlogging. I do have 2 more Italy videos to edit, and that is going to be 2 days worth of Venice. And those should be fun videos coming up as well. All right, the next time you see me, I'll be in California. We finally made it after an hour and 15 minutes to Capitola, California. This is right near Santa Cruz. It's a cute, charming little town. We haven't walked around yet. However, the parking situation is a whole other beast in itself. So coming on a holiday weekend, you're gonna find a lot of problems parking. I'm waiting for my friend to get here now. I was sort of policing the area. But yeah, we're gonna have lunch at this restaurant and then I'll show you around when we walk around. I've never seen this on a Florida beach, but apparently this is where you put your pizza boxes. Interesting. All these surfers are waiting for their big wave, but the thing is it's calm. There's no waves. It's hilarious. They're just hanging out, waiting for the wave. They're not hanging 10, they're not hanging 5, they're hanging 0. That's really pretty. San Francisco teams, right? The Giants, or is it just Giants?
No,
Just baseball? Yeah, I guess it is just baseball.
yeah, it's only baseball.
Yeah, and the one behind it is the Oakland A's. Oh yeah, very cool. This is a really cute town, lots of little shops. I actually bought this for the back of my car. If you guys saw my video of Floridania, I'll put it up here. I bought orange to put on my car, and you'll know that I collect these. So this will be great. This town is known for these colorful buildings, and you'll probably see it. I'll put it at the end of my video too, but great town if you ever come to this part of California. This is our drive back to the San Jose area, and it was just so pretty I had to take some video. We don't have the scenery in Florida, so I always love driving through nature and these trees when I'm in California, and thought I'd share it with you. Welcome to Campbell, California. This is where I'm ending my night with some Mexican food, and then tomorrow I take the train to the Berkeley area. So I'm gonna end my video here. Thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.